Stuck with the Compatprovider Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. As we prepare to resolve Compatprovider Library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Compatprovider Library, the Compatibility Provider module. It manages the localized unmanaged assessment of localized application compatibility during the localized Windows installation process. It facilitates the localized discovery of localized known-incompatible software manifests. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Since Compatprovider Library DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Compatprovider library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Compatprovider Library DLL within your System32 or syswow64 folders. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Compatprovider Library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.